Hello, this is my very short explanation of writing flash fiction. So I'm going to start with my example, which is called The Coffee Shop. I sit outside cradling a hot mug of coffee. Cars are dotted along the street amidst the midday hum. A man pulls at every handle of a small hatchback. He looks around anxiously. I giggle, trying not to spill my coffee. He bobs down, the car interfering with my line of sight. The car jiggles, then stops. The engine revs. Hurrah! I hold my mug up for a toast. The car pulls away as the sun catches its familiar number plate. So that's my attempt at a flash fiction, which was very fun to write, and hopefully you got the twist ending. So I'm just going to go through a few basic elements of writing flash fiction, which all of this I got from a very good short article on masterclass.com, which is worth checking out. So you've definitely got to keep it short. Brevity is super important. It can be from 6 words to 1,000 words. It's got to have a complete plot, including a beginning, middle, and end. So it's got to be a complete story. And there's got to be a surprise, a twist, or something unexpected element of it. Strong imagery is super important. So use those lovely words that describe exactly what's going on. Sticking to one moment in time makes it much more straightforward to write. Only having 1 or 2 characters, you can't write about too many in a very short space of time. Using first person, definitely easier if you're unfamiliar with this genre. And the title can do a lot for your story, so super important to pick a good one. And of course, the surprise, which I mentioned before, is all about the twist. And this is where I source the information.